Right, the last coin I wanted to check for you guys was a coin called Scallop, and I was just scanning real quick again coin market cap just to give you a quick outlook. I'm just also reading some comments in the description here. So Scallop is an innovative fintech decentralized ecosystem built to offer users a faster and more efficient way to securely manage crypto and fiat currencies in a single place. So it's a platform that combines decentralized financial services with banking features such as bank accounts, cards, remittance, and much more to promote the general usage of crypto in daily life. So this sounds really good. I feel solutions like this are super important, are going to play a big role in terms of that adoption. But there's definitely a lot more homework you need to do, guys. I am just reading off the CoinMarketCap. I don't know anymore. I would be definitely inclined to encourage the unlocking. There's some comments here that have kind of indicated, you know, that there's unlocks waiting to happen. I mean, something to definitely look at. This all-time high at around $100, and it's sitting at only about 25 cents at the minute. I don't want to give you hopium and say, look, this is definitely going to go back to all-time high. But what we can do here is obviously just mark out some levels and see where this could potentially go from here. Even in the short term, you know, just to kind of give ourselves a nice just want to see where is the best to kind of give that line. There will be because this has been kind of doing a lot of side action for a long time on the weekly, giving small little, you know, this is actually a nice range. If you were trading this, you would have been making some money off that range. Sticking around in this range for a long time, indicating a very long accumulation. And it is literally only after crossing and giving that 8 and 21 on the weekly cross. I believe as a trader, we always take risks. As an investor, we always take risks. What's your risk tolerance? What is your game plan? What are you going to do from here with your money? Risk to reward in this case looks like a no-brainer for me. From trader's point of view, it looks brilliant. But that's why you come in here as an investor and look at the fundamentals. If I was to invest into this right now, I feel like with the potential, with indicators, there's a nice chance of making some money. Just what your game is. Was just looking at the weekly RSI and it hasn't come up above the 50 yet. I know this is kind of obviously part of the risk is a lot of people will be like, you know, just buy, right? I know there's this argument where you come to the point where you're saying, well, just buy. It's so cheap. RSI is still so low. And you're sitting there thinking, right, but why are you telling me to wait for a price to do something else, or like, you know, for it to go higher, or for it to move out of this range. It is that confirmation of a move. And I know you want to be ahead of the game, but if you have that patience in you and you are fine with adding to your bag and holding a lot longer, then that's fine. But if you're someone who needs a little bit more faster pace and are expecting a little bit quicker returns, you don't waste your money sitting and waiting for that to happen. So that's why you give the confirmation a chance. That's when you have that confluence and you have that confirmation of something, like a retest, you know. Again, of course that can fail, but I'm just talking here more about, like, again, about managing your risks, guys. So weekly chart, RSI below 50, 50 EMA, it's far away from here. Let's check alpha trend, what it's saying. So it actually is trading above. We've had that red track line here happening for a while. It was in the lower range of the range here, and the lower parts of it for quite some time. This is a weekly chart, guys, just remember that as well. So obviously those candles will represent a lot more days, and that price action will be a little bit different on daily and smaller time frame. Lost that key level here, deviated and came all the way down to around 11 cents, reversed, still back into the range. But what I'm seeing here is that color here on the weekly has turned orange. There isn't any red, there hasn't been any orange here for a while, so that's kind of indicating me a little bit more strength in terms of possible move. So why not risk something, right, and see a return? But coming out even of this range to retest this, that's 60% move, and it has to come back above 40 cents. It has to come back above 40 cents and retest that level. Look at those candles on the, I just want to go on the daily and see how this is doing on the daily and where the indicators are. So interesting. Yeah, we're coming into this apex between, and that wedge between 250 EMA on the daily, and the price and the RSI is definitely cooling off, and it does look, hold on a second, nice higher lows here on the weekly, on the daily, sorry. Flipping here, I think it is a nice deciding point, because we've had this act as a resistance twice already. It's really doing a lot here to test this key level. 25 cents, important, very, very. It's still on a higher time frame within the range until it flips 40 cents, but there is a possibility for you to make 60% on this. Once it flips, 50%, once it flips this level here, from here to about 40 cents. But if it was to even wick down to 23 cents, that's a nice 75%. And if it was to even wick down back again to the bottom of the range, that is 120%. I think it's it looks like it's coiling up to something. And hopefully, let me check. Daily looks nice with the alpha trend. 8 and 21, we're trading in a bullish way. We have the cross here, and we have we've retested the 21 EMA a couple of times. and even a wick below, just to retest. Again, there's so many ranges in this range, obviously, because it's been kind of going up and down and retesting, you know, kind of narrowing down, so you can see how from here on it's already kind of been giving again more of a range within the range. And now it did come back up to retest the 22 cents. Will it do it again? I don't know. That's why DCA. And just to zoom out, because I can see my laptop is already saying the battery is going to die. So I need to hurry up. We'll have to come out, a retest. Another level will be about 55 cents. Another big level will be 95 cents. But at those levels, you're going to be already making at least 3x from here. Back up to this big level here. That's nearly 10x. No crazy price predictions by me. Once again, I like to play it cool in terms of make your money, rotate it, take the initial investment out, leave the moon bag, keep paying yourself, keep scaling out. I will try and do more research into this. I need to wrap this up. Once again, find me in my Discord. Make sure you say hello. I would love to have you guys there as a community. And then hopefully you guys are looking for a good place where you can learn a little bit more, upskill, and make some money along the way. Not financial advice. With me in my peachy Discord. Sorry, my battery is just crying here. So I'm gonna wrap it up, guys, and I'll see you soon.